Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And many analysts and tech enthusiasts have been questioning Verizons Strategy on the amount of money that they're spending now on the spectrum, C-band, and also on the amount of money that they're spending on rolling out millimeter wave at scale. Many said it would take Verizon a lot more money to roll out millimeter wave per pop than it would mid-band, which is correct. But behind the strategy, Verizon always has an end goal as to what they want to achieve. Same happened with LTE. When every other carrier was involved in a different technology, Sprint, WiMAX, AT&T, HSPA 21, T-Mobile, HSPA 42, Verizon already shifted towards LTE. And then when that became the use case, larger coverage, low band, faster speeds, all the other carriers started adjusting to LTE. And now that Verizon is creating these partnerships with enterprise, it's starting to show you that the return on investment is going to come from home internet and these partnerships that Verizon is creating with enterprise. So in today's announcement, Verizon and Unity partnered to enable 5G and MEC gaming and enterprise applications. So again, Verizon, another partnership. They just got one with UPS. They got Amazon, Walmart. They got WeWork. They're going to work their way through the Fortune 500 companies, and they're going to get these partnerships. That's what their strategy is set out to do, and they're working their way through the companies to create these partnerships and use cases. Yes, mid-band is coming, but since the only play in the playbook for Verizon right now is millimeter wave, they're getting the hard work out the way. The permits, laying the fiber, that takes time. They're doing it now. If Verizon is turning the industry in their favor, every other carrier, once again, is going to be behind and is going to have to adjust. If Verizon can make millimeter wave use cases work, repeaters, nodes, fiber, and companies start choosing Verizon over the others because of the lower latency, because of the MEC, the faster speeds, then to compete, others are going to have to roll out millimeter wave in the same way, shape, or form in order to compete for those enterprise businesses. Now, will they? Do they have to? That's on them. But again, it started with LTE. Verizon was way ahead of the LTE game before anyone else adjusted to it, and it turned in Verizon's favor. So, again, Verizon, the history shows they made the right choices. It seems that they are doing it again. If millimeter wave was not good in any way, shape, or form, I do not think Verizon would be doing it. They are a well-run company. They paid off most of that debt that they got from the Vodafone buyout. They paid it off. They are in debt now, but they're a well-run company. They're going to pay that debt off again. They're going to invest heavily in millimeter wave. They just invested heavily in C-band. They're rolling out their own fiber, which allows them to, again, boost backhaul to whatever they want, 5, 10, 20 gigs. Whereas T-Mobile is restricted on that due to cost. It's very expensive from a third-party standpoint to run fiber circuits as high as 10 gig, 20 gig. So T-Mobile is not going to do that on all cell sites. Verizon can, and they will. Same with AT&T, where AT&T is the LEC, they are going to do 10, 20, 30 gig backhaul. So this is, again, these partnerships are starting to come, every other day, once a week. We're starting to get these partnership announcements. I think through 21, we're going to get some bigger ones from Verizon, and it's going to show why millimeter wave is so important for Verizon. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Look forward to reading the comments. If you have been on the channel or you are new to the channel, and you have not yet liked, share, subscribe, make sure you do so. Also, follow the social media outlets for more updates and interactions. Just had a great Twitter discussion yesterday, so make sure if you want to join in to follow the Twitter. And this is Tyrone with Tech Life. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.